Hey everyone, and welcome to Code Guru here on YouTube. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm a Microsoft certified solutions developer, and I'm here to show you some tips and tricks in C#, SQL and ASP.NET from the beginner level all the way through to developing advanced enterprise applications. We'll be using Visual Studio as the IDE or integrated development environment. And then just some background on me personally. I've got some 17 years experience in the software development industry, and I'm currently working for a large international financial investments company as an analyst developer. So it is my wish for you to become an awesome software developer, and I hope to empower you with some very practical step-by-step real-world application examples. Then lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button on videos that you like. It really means a lot to me. So yeah, without further ado, do go ahead and pick a video of your with a topic of your choice, and let's get hands dirty with code and creating some great applications and software.